Erratic grew some wheat. Well, I didn't really grow wheat. It grew when I threw seeds and crap out in the garden. Then I picked it all. This is the aftermath of me picking the wheat. That's a few green ones left over. So I thought, I'm going to see if I can make some bread. I've never made bread, never grown wheat. So I've got the seeds. I put them through a mortise and pestle, try to smash them up. Damn tough job, that wouldn't break down. So then, stuff. Old school, go new school. I put them in a blender, grinded them up, made this little puff of shit that it looks like. And now it's in the oven. It's still a little bit soft, so I'm going to have to put it back in the oven and see if I can make my first bit of bread from scratch. Oh yeah, but what I didn't mention was it's not that easy getting the seeds from that wheat. It's a bit of effort. It's easy, sure, but the time you roll it around in your hand, half of it isn't even full of seeds. Then you got to pick all the crap off it and pick the seed out. It's a pain in the ass. Got a lot to learn. Anyway, it's the first crack at the title, so let's see how it goes. Pull my bit of bread out of the oven. Let's give it a taste test. Hang on a sec. Hang on. I'm nearly there. Oh, for fuck's sake. Here we go. Looks good. Looks really, really good. Anyway, hang on. There we go. Well, considering I didn't put any salt, nothing, just ground wheat, say called flour, with water, and baked it. It's alright, alright, it's crap, but definitely you'd eat it if you were hungry and there was wheat out there. You'd definitely make it and eat it. It's alright, really. Sure, it's shit. No, it's alright. I'm going to give myself a 10 out of 10.